background music fades in. Shots of the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon rolling through rugged terrain, splashing through mud, and climbing over rocks. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, the ultimate off-road machine built for adventure. If you're looking for a rugged, capable, and modern SUV that stays true to its roots, this is the one to watch. Let's check it out. Exterior shots of the Wrangler Rubicon showing its iconic 7-slot grille, LED headlights, and aggressive front bumper. The front grille is now slightly slimmer, giving it a more refined look while improving airflow. LED lighting all around ensures better visibility, and the new wheel designs add to its tough aesthetic. Of course, it's still highly customizable with multiple roof and door configurations. Whether you go for the standard soft top, the 3-piece hard top, or the Sky One Touch power top, you get that classic open-air experience. The Rubicon also features high-clearance fender flares and 33-inch all-terrain tires, with an option for 35-inch tires if you really want to push its limits. Skid plates, rock rails, and red tow hooks further reinforce its off-road credentials. Now shifting to the interior with shots of the dashboard, seats, and infotainment screen. Inside, Jeep has stepped up its game with more technology and comfort. The dashboard features a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen with Uconnect 5, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus enhanced navigation with trail maps. The driver gets a fully digital instrument cluster, and there's now more soft-touch materials throughout the cabin. The Rubicon trim includes premium cloth or optional leather trim seats, with heated front seats and steering wheel available. Rear passengers get more legroom, and multiple USB-C ports keep devices charged. The Wrangler still prioritizes functionality, with drain plugs for easy cleaning and removable doors for that true Jeep experience. Cut to driving shots, showing the Wrangler Rubicon tackling different terrains. Under the hood, the 2025 Wrangler Rubicon comes with multiple engine options. The 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 remains a solid choice with 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, while the 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 delivers 270 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. If you want more power, there's the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 in the Rubicon 392, cranking out a massive 470 horsepower. Jeep also continues to offer the 4xe plug-in hybrid, which combines efficiency with off-road capability. All models come with a Rocktrack 4x4 system, locking differentials, and an electronic disconnecting sway bar for maximum articulation on rough trails. Price details appear on screen while voiceover explains them. Pricing for the 2025 Wrangler Rubicon starts around $50,000, with higher trims and options pushing it closer to $80,000 for the 392 model. While it's not the cheapest off-roader, you're paying for unmatched capability and a legacy that few SUVs can rival. Closing scene with the Wrangler parked against a scenic backdrop, sunset in the distance. So, is the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon the ultimate adventure SUV? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews. See you in the next one.